Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to link a debit card to PayPal. If you want to make payments more easily through PayPal, adding your debit card is a quick and useful step. It helps speed up checkout, and it can also make it easier to manage your payment methods in one place. This can be especially useful if you shop online often, send payments through PayPal, or want a backup payment option connected to your account. The process is very simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect. You don't need any advanced setup for this. You just need access to your PayPal account and the debit card you want to add. To begin, sign into your PayPal account. Once you're on the main account page, look at the top navigation bar and click on Wallet. This is the section where PayPal stores and manages your payment methods, including bank accounts and cards. If you ever need to add, remove, or update a payment method later, this is usually the section you'll come back to. After you open Wallet, find the option that says Link a Card and click on it. At this point, PayPal will ask you to enter your debit card details. Carefully type in the information exactly as it appears on your card. This usually includes the card number, expiration date, and any other required card information. Depending on your card and location, you may also be asked for a security code or billing address to help confirm the card belongs to you. It's a good idea to double-check everything before continuing, because even a small typing mistake can cause the card to be rejected or delay the process. Make sure you're entering a debit card that is active and allowed for online payments, since some cards may have restrictions depending on your bank. Also, check that the billing details match what your bank has on file, because mismatched information can sometimes stop the card from linking properly. After you submit the card details, PayPal will usually place a small charge on the card as part of the verification process. Don't worry, this is normal. The temporary charge is only there to confirm that the card is valid and can be linked successfully. This step helps protect your account and make sure the payment method can actually be used before it is added. PayPal will then refund that amount, so you're not actually being charged in the long term. Depending on your bank, the refund may appear quickly, or it may take a little time to show in your account activity. So, if you don't see the refund instantly, give it some time and check your card activity again later. Once that verification is complete, your debit card will be linked to your PayPal account. That's all there is to it. From there, you can use the card as a payment method when sending money or making purchases through PayPal, depending on your account settings and local availability. You may also be able to choose it as your preferred payment method, so PayPal uses that card first when you make a payment. As a final tip, if the card doesn't link right away, check that all the card details were entered correctly and make sure your bank allows online or international transactions if needed. In many cases, a small issue like that is the reason it doesn't go through the first time. You can also try contacting your bank if the card keeps getting declined, because sometimes they may block a verification attempt for security reasons. And that's how to link a debit card to PayPal. Once your card is added, managing payments becomes much easier, and you can use PayPal more smoothly whenever you need to pay, shop, or send money online.